Take out maths notebooks, page number 75. Not maths notebook, sorry, page number. Take out your maths notebooks. I'm going to explain you how to compare the fractions.
And what?
How to compare the fractions.
Next page number 75.
Yes, beta. I am going to explain it. Don't worry.
Ma'am, 75.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done this.
Okay, everyone. Now, wait a second. Let me switch on my video. Okay. This is the equivalent fraction we have done previously. Now I'm going to tell you how to compare the fraction. What do you mean by comparison? What do you mean by comparison? Why do we compare the thing? What do you mean by compare? Why do we compare in maths?
Ma'am, comparison means to find which one is better.
To find which one is better. Okay, very good. Anything else? Very good. Correct. This is correct. Tell me. Yes, Om, tell. What is it?
Ma'am, what is a key, but it is not open a lock.
What?
It has many key, but it don't open a lock.
Beta, I'm asking what do you mean by compare?
Ma'am, comparison means to find which one is of higher value.
Very good, very good. The one it is told that is also correct. That to find which is better. Okay, and what Rehansh also told that is also correct. What are they saying? They are saying
Ma'am,
actually to compare means to find out which is bigger and which is smaller. Suppose 9 and 10. If I'm comparing 9 and 10, that means which is big. What I'm comparing, which is bigger and which is smaller. The one which is bigger will have its mouth open. Okay, the one which is smaller will have its mouth closed. Okay, so similarly in fractions, how do we do the comparison in fractions? Comparison in fractions is done only and only when denominators are same. The first condition, it should be denominators should be same. Denominators should be same. This is the first and foremost condition to check compare the fractions, to find out which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller. Suppose 3 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. So we have to compare these two fractions, which is greater and which is smaller. So first and foremost thing, the denominators should be equal. What should be equal? The denominators should be equal. Now, the one which is greater, the number out of 3 and 4, the greater one becomes the
4 upon 9.
4 upon 9. And 3 upon 9, 3 will be the smaller one. Okay, yes. Like this, we compare the fractions. Okay, now take out your maths notebooks. Let's do another question. Question E quickly and be quick, everyone. Okay. Now let's start the question number 5. Sorry, which question?
Ma'am, F4.
Question?
F4.
F. Okay. F. F बोला जाता है. It's F or F. Okay, right. Fill in the circles. Fill in the circles with greater than sign, smaller than sign, or equal to sign. Okay. Question number 1. 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. Divide your page in 2 equal parts like this. 1, 2, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 9. Sorry, 9 upon 9. Let it be 9 upon 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6 upon 10, 5 upon 10. Number 4 is 7 upon 8 or 3 upon 8. Just do it quickly, everyone. I know this one is very easy.
I'm only this much.
Yes, beta, this much. Do it quickly.
In the second one, you have written 9 upon 9.
Where beta? Yes, 9 upon 9. To send it. Okay, tell me. 3 upon 5, 1 upon
Yes,
5. Which is smaller and which is greater?
3 upon 5.
Ma'am, 3 upon 5 is the greater and 1
So
upon
how
5
should
is
we
the
open out
smaller.
3 upon 5? 6 upon 10 or 5 upon 10?
Ma'am, 6 upon 10 is greater and 5 upon 10 is smaller.
And 5 upon 10 is the smallest.
7 upon 9, 9 upon 9.
Ma'am, 9 upon 9 is greater and 7 upon 9 is smaller.
Because 7 and 9, 9 is greater. 7 upon 3 and 8 and 9 upon
7 upon 8 is greater and 3 upon 8
done.
is smaller.
Now, similarly, ascending. You know ascending and descending order? Ascending means
Yes, ma'am.
from greater to smaller and smaller to greater. You know that? Descending means
Yes,
greater
ma'am.
to smaller. So no need to tell you again and again. Let's not waste the time and start doing the ascending and descending order. Okay. Now,
Okay.
take out right question F, right question G. Arrange fractions in ascending order. Arrange fractions in ascending order. Question number 1. 1 upon 5, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3. Right here, A, S, C, O, R, D, and arrange them in ascending order. Smaller to bigger. Here, okay. Then write question number 2. Okay, beta, one more thing here. It is not okay. When if the numerator, see, wait a minute, everyone. See here, if you can see here, numerators are different here. Just wait a minute, everyone. Look here. Look here. I told you when denominators are same. If the denominators are not same, what we are going to do here? If denominators are not same but numerators are same, then how? Vivek, why are you jumping? Huh? Are you a monkey? Are you a monkey?
Ma'am, Vivek was jumping in GK class also.
No. Are you a monkey, Vivek? You want to jump? Huh, Vivek? You want to jump? Shall I make you jump? Shall I make you jump?
Ma'am, it's fun. Ma'am, it's fun.
It's fun. Okay. We also want to see you doing fun. Start doing fun. Start doing fun. See. See, do it, do it. We want to do Vivek fun. Do fun. Do it, do it. Arey, we are just watching you, Vivek. That you are doing fun. How do you do the fun?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am, it's fun. It's fun. Jumping. Okay, see here. If numerators are not same and if denominators are not same, suppose if you can see in this question, denominators are different. So what we are going to do, beta, when denominators are different, then the smaller one becomes the greater one and greater one becomes the smaller one. Understood? Here, which is the greatest one? You have to place the
1
greatest
upon
one.
7.
1 upon 7
1
is the
upon
smallest
7.
number. Beta, 1 upon 7 is smallest here. Beta, do one
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
Before writing this, rub this if you have written this one. Before this, do this question. 5 upon 8, 9 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 8. First do this one. First arrange this in ascending order. First arrange this one in ascending order. It is simple. If denominators
Ma'am,
are
from
same,
smaller to bigger.
obviously what is written here, this Summer, what is written here?
Ascending.
Ascending. What do you mean by ascending? What do you
Ma'am,
mean by
smaller to
ascending,
bigger.
Summer? I'm asking from Summer.
Ma'am, smaller.
Just wait. Tell me what will be the first one. Tell me quickly
Ma'am,
what will
1
be.
upon 8.
Ma'am, upon 8. Ma'am, 1
1
upon 8.
upon 8. Second one,
2
Ma'am, 2
upon 8.
upon 8.
2 upon 8. Third
5
one,
upon 5
Ma'am,
upon
5
8.
upon 8.
then
9
Ma'am,
upon
9
8.
upon 8.
9 upon 8.
now after this write one line here. When numerator is same, put a comma over here. Small number is equal to big fraction.
Ma'am, we have to write this line.
Yes. Samar, beta, ek hi baat, why do you repeat the same thing? Okay. Write this. It is compulsory to write this. When numerator is same, smaller number is equals to big fraction. Bigger number is equals to smaller fraction. If you have written, good. Okay. Now I'm going to give you second question. Second question was 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 7. Now again you have to arrange in ascending order, right? ASCORD. You have to arrange in with that means ascending order, bigger ones becomes the smaller and smaller one becomes the bigger. Okay, so which is the biggest among this? That will be the smallest.
1 upon 7.
1 upon 3.
No,
Ma'am,
Anjali,
1 upon
beta.
7.
Ma'am, 1
Ma'am,
upon
1
3.
upon 7.
Anjali,
Ma'am,
beta,
1
look
upon
here. Okay, don't shout. Anjali, look here. See, beta, 1 upon
Ma'am,
3 and 1 upon 7. There is one fight between 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 3. Okay, I told you when numerator is same. Numerator is same. Numerators are same. Okay, 3, 5, 4, 7. Which will be the smallest one? According to it, smaller number becomes a big one and big one becomes a smaller one. Ascending means arranging from smaller, सबसे छोटा हमें इसमें से find out करना है. Smallest fraction. Which will be the smallest fraction? The biggest fraction will be the smallest one. That is 1 upon 7. Now
Ma'am,
it becomes
you
very,
are asking that what is the greater?
yes, what is, no, I was asking which is the smallest one. This is the smallest. 1/7 is the smallest. Okay, after this, next smallest, next bigger will be 1/5. Next bigger will be 1/4, and 1/3 will be the greatest one. Okay,
Okay,
one
ma'am.
more. Question 3 now. I'm rubbing. Oh, shall I rub this? I have rubbed it already. Now
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
write question 3. I'm going to write question 3 here. Question number 3. Okay. Question 3 is 3/11, comma 3/5, 3/6, 3/8. This is question 3. Do it. Do
Ma'am,
it
I can
yourself.
do it.
You can. You do it yourself.
And this is very easy.
अभी तो इजी लगता है एग्जाम में. They do diff. Mehul, it's upon your wish, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, who's got present?
Who is saying present? Who is saying present now? Who came in through the gate?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what will be the first one.
3/11.
See, numerators are same. That means bigger is smaller. Smaller one will be bigger. So सबसे bigger है यहाँ पे 3/11. Then
Ma'am, 3/8.
3/8.
3/6. Ma'am,
3/5.
Okay, good. One more. Last one.
Ma'am, the denominator is same.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in the
denominators are same here.
4.
Ma'am, in this question, we have to do the same method.
Where?
Ma'am, in the fourth question.
It is a code, yes, beta. But it is. See whether the numerators are same or the denominators are same.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Tell me what will be the answer.
1/7, 2/7, 3/7, and 4/7.
1/7, 2/7, 3/7, and 4/7.
4/7. Ma'am, it
Take your
was
answers.
easy.
Yes, this was easy. Take your answers. Just wait me a minute.
Ma'am, I is correct.
Ma'am, I is also correct.
No need to tell, beta. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone just check it quickly. Those who have not completed it, quickly check it. Then we'll start the next question. Huh, beta?
means H part.
What, Anjali? I'm not getting it.
Ma'am,
Question
the
H.
H part now.
Yes, question H part. And that will be the last of this exercise. We'll finish this exercise today itself. Okay, we'll start the next equivalent in the next time, and make sure that you post the video, okay? Okay, now I'm going to rub it since meeting is going to be over. So I'm going to rub this, start the next question. Okay. Now draw the line here only. Draw the line. Now let's start the next question. Now let's start the next question. Question H. H. Arrange in
And when the meeting will be over, then we have to send our work
yes,
or not.
Within the meeting you send it. Otherwise, how will you come to know about your mistakes?
Okay, ma'am.
Right, question 1.
Ma'am, ascending and descending work or all the work from.
No, beta, only ascending, descending.
Okay, ma'am.
4 upon 10, 4 upon 8, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 6. Right here, DESCORD. Okay, question 1. Now question 2, you have to write here.
Ma'am, if the denominator is different, so we
Yes.
have to write the biggest one.
Yes, yes. Biggest denominator should come first. Sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
No. Biggest denominator will come at last.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm writing the third question here because time is less. So I'm writing the third one here. Only till third part you have to do.
Okay. Ma'am, right.
Now,
Ma'am, I will take the screenshot of.
You have to arrange it in descending order.
Ma'am, in this part there are 3 questions.
Yes, there are only 3 questions.
Ma'am, in the second one.
Ma'am, in this the bigger number will come in last.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell the second?
So tell me quickly. Okay. First one we are going to discuss. Wait a minute.
Ma'am,
What will be the first one?
4 upon 6, 4 upon 8, 4 upon 9, and 4
The first one. Tell me only the first one.
4 upon 6.
Since numerator are same, that means biggest will become the smallest and smallest will become the biggest. And in descending, we have bigger to smaller. So which is the bigger one? The smallest one. That means 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6. Now you know it. Now it becomes easy. 4 upon 8. 4 upon 9 and
10.
okay, here you can see here 3 upon 16, 1 upon 16, 4 upon 16, 14 upon 16, 15. Here what is same? Denominators are same. Denominators same होते हैं तो जैसा होता है वैसे ही लिख देते हैं. So biggest one is 15. Biggest one is 15. So 15 upon 16. Summer, please switch off
14
your
upon
mic.
16.
Summer, please switch off your mic. There is a lot of noise coming. 15 upon 16, 14 upon 16, 3 upon
3
16,
upon 16
and
and
1
1
upon
upon
16.
16.
Okay. So many students left the meeting in between.
Yes, ma'am.
They were
Ma'am,
here and
Bhavishya Gaur also.
Pratyush, and let them come next time. I will see. Do the last
Ma'am,
one now.
Third one, after 1 upon 7 you have written or anything else?
Where, beta?
Ma'am, in third question, second one, 1 upon
1 upon
7
7.
only.
1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, can I send the work?
Yes, yes. Those who have done, they can send.
Okay, ma'am.
As soon as I see the answer of this one, I've just checked it. Your answers, very well done, all of you. So descending order means, okay, numerators are same again. So that means biggest will be the smallest and smallest will be the biggest. And we have to choose the biggest one in descending. So biggest one, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6, and 1 upon.
1 upon 7.
Okay, note it down, everyone.
Ma'am, my last one is incorrect.
It's not. It's wrong. Correct it, Pratishtha. Correct it. See whether the numerators are same or